Okay, Erica. I will ask you question. What are the 5 senses, Erica?
Is 5.
Yeah, what are they? Sense of
Sense of
smell.
smell,
What is it?
nose,
Very good. Sense of taste. What is it?
tongue,
Okay. Sense of touch.
hands,
Very good. Sense of sight.
eyes,
Sense of sounds.
ears,
Very good. And now, what sense we are going to use to smell? Sense of, what is it?
nose.
Okay. Can you smell this? Pwede mo ba itong amoyin? Sabihin mo kung anong amoy. Ano naaamoy mo?
Mabango, babaho.
Mabango, mabaho.
Mabango.
Smells what?
A candy.
Smells like a candy.
Yeah, smell as a candy.
It is a toothpaste. Next. What's this? What do you smell?
Sabi mo,
Mabango, mabaho.
Mabango.
Mabango. What do you smell? Ano naaamoy mo?
Mamango maya.
Mabango. It's a... What's this? Alcohol.
Ako.
This one. What do you smell? Ano naamoy mo? Ano? Mabango, mabaho?
Bango.
Mabango. It's a cologne. What do you smell?
Cologne.
Okay, this one. Smell this one. Ano naamoy mo? Ano naaamoy mo, Win? Mabango, mabaho?
Mabango.
What do you smell?
Is
A shampoo.
shampoo.
Okay. The last one. What's this? Smell this one. Mabango, mabaho?
Mabango.
What do you smell? Cream silk.
Cream scale.
Cream silk. What sense do you use?
My nose.
Very good. What are the 5 senses again?
Is 5.
Yeah, what are they? Sense of... What is this? Sight.
Sight.
Sense of sight.
Sight.
What is the sense of sight?
Eyes.
Sense of...
Hearing.
Okay, the ears. Sense of taste.
Tongue.
Sense of touch.
Hands.
And... Do I forgot something? Smell. Sense of smell. What do you use?
Nose. My nose. I smell my nose. Something here. I can smell the toothpaste.
Very good. Can smell the...
Alcohol.
Okay, because of your nose. What else? What else do you smell?
I smell
Shampoo.
shampoo. I smell shampoo.
Yeah.
And I smell
What is that? Cream silk.
cream scale and the last one
What is that?
is shampoo. Cream scale.
Cream silk.
I smell my nose, toothpaste, and alcohol. Everything I want.
The food. You smell is also the food.
Yeah, I smell the food.
That's why our nose is very important.
Yeah.
You should take good care of your nose, Erica.
Yeah. I smell the toothpaste.
Without your nose, you cannot smell anymore. Wala ka ng pang-amoy. Kaya pangalagaan ang nose.
I
Naintindihan?
can smell the toothpaste.
Very good.
Ano na amoy mo, Mama?
Smells good.